want to take a picture down here?
Yeah, GoPro.
GoPro? This is a really nice picture. Yeah, yeah. This is a nice picture, like down. Everyone's just looking down.
She could take a picture of her.
Alrighty, folks, keep those hands, fingers, paddles inside. Here we go.
Yay! Oh my god.
Alrighty, folks, everyone put your paddles up like this. Put the other hand down on the end like this. And on the count of 3, we're going to reach forward and pull that water back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and stroke.
I can't do it with 2 hands.
Stroke. 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 Welcome aboard the world famous Baby Crockett Explorer Canoe. My name is Janelle. I'll be your river guide for the next 45 minutes of paddling fun. That 45 minutes is based on our current speed, so if you'd like to go faster, paddle faster. Back there in the back, steering and driving this thing is my good friend Jeff. Everyone turn and say hi, Jeff.
Hey, Jeff.
It's Jeff.
That's right, out here on the river, Jeff and I have 3 very simple rules. Rule number 1 is always keep paddling. Rule number 2 is very similar. Never stop paddling. This canoe has no track, no motor, no pulleys, no kidding. If you don't row, we don't go. And rule number 3, folks, is no splashing. That water is green, and it used to be blue. That's all you really need to know about it. Alrighty, folks, I'm going to sit on down and help you all out. Notice I said help you out, not haul you around. Please keep paddling.
I'll paddle.
How deep is the water? Just curious. It's getting all over my face.
Oh, look at the Indians! Hey.
Oh my god. We're gonna crash.
We're gonna crash.
My arm hurts. Oh my god, my pants are getting wet.
Ah.
Oh my eyes.
Sorry.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, is it made of there?
It's Molly.
Oh man. None of your legs are like hella wide open. Oh, look at the horsey.
I'm getting hella wet. Yeah.
Look at the moon. There. Am I right?
Alrighty, folks, everyone give me 5 more big strokes and then we'll take a quick break. Ready,